So I'm going to show you how to make a very simple origami star. So for this you need 2 sheets of contrasting origami paper, some scissors and some glue and some PVA glue as well. So first of all, take your sheet of origami paper and you're going to fold it in half, scoring along the lines. Open it out and fold it the other way in half. Again, scoring along those lines quite strongly. And then you're going to open up and fold the diagonals. One way. And then fold it the other way. So when you open it up, you should have a sort of star shape across your paper. You're going to take a pair of scissors and along each of the corner folds, so these 4 here, you're going to cut the paper just halfway between the centre and the edge. So just snipping roughly that much on all of those 4 straight edges. So there you go, you can see around the edge you've got the 4 squares folded in. You're then going to take this edge, see the middle line here, we're going to turn this corner in so that there's a point at the top and the paper's folded to that middle line. And you're going to do the same on the opposite side so that you create one of the points of your star, like that. And we're going to go around and do exactly the same on the other 3 points. 1, Okay, next you're going to get a Pritt stick or glue, so you can see there you've got the points of your star. Take your Pritt stick and you're going to glue one side, just one of the points, and then this is the bit that just needs a little bit of care. Your glued point on the bottom, you're going to lift this piece of paper over and just tuck your finger in there in the point. Lift it over and just push it down and slide it along, so you should be creating a point like that, and you can see on the other side that's going to be one of the points of your star. So all round your star now you're just going to glue one side with a bit of glue, put a finger underneath it and just fold the unglued bit on top, and just do that with the other 2 points. And there we go. And so once you've finished, you should have your star. Now you're going to do exactly the same with your other piece of paper, so your contrasting piece of paper, until you end up with 2 stars like this. Now this is the only sort of fiddly bit. What we're looking to do is put the 2 stars together like that, so you can choose which colour you'd like on top. I think we're going to go for blue. Now you're going to fix the stars so that rather than being on top of each other like that, they're at an angle, so the points on the top go in between the points on the bottom. And you can see here where you did your little cuts, there's some slight marks. This is the only fiddly bit. So what we're going to do is just pop a little bit of glue in each of those 4 points. Now for this you want to use some PVA, and you need to leave it to dry once you've done it. So we're just going to squirt a little drop in each of those 4 points. 2, 3, and it might get a bit messy, but it doesn't matter because it'll dry. So there's your 4 points, and you're just going to turn it around and just place it like that, and just push down slightly on each point. Just make sure you give it a little push into place like that. You can mop up if you want any of this excess glue, you can just mop up or just spread it round so that it sticks. Okay, and then you have your star. Now once it's dry, you can use some thread to just hook around this point here and hang up, and you can hang it down. But there is how to make a 3D star.